me find out if he's back there or in. Yeah, more than you expect, ain't it?
Hey Joe, how's it going? How you doing today?
All right.
I'm John Rhoden.
John.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Well, it sounds from all the letters we got from family and friends that you do a lot for a lot of people in this community. They nominated you for our roof giveaway.
Awesome.
And you are this year's recipient.
Oh man.
So we're gonna put a new roof on your home and we're super excited to do it.
Thank you.
Yeah. So thanks for everything you do here for everybody.
Thank you.
You know, the letters meant that a lot of people wrote in for you. So it needs some TLC out there, yeah.
The whole house does. The house got to do more on the side. It's just been overwhelming.
Yeah, well that's good. We're really happy to do it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
How are you guys doing today?
Doing all right.
Yeah?
Just got off work.
Yeah, well good.
Both of us.
Yeah, so you guys are having some issues?
I've been having issues since we rented it before we even bought it. I've got a leak about 2 foot past that window in the living room.
Yeah.
And then I've got a leak
Living room is brand
about even with that the far side of that window.
Yeah. Okay.
going in.
Well, how about we just put a new roof on your house so you don't have to worry about it?
That would be awesome.
Let's do it.
That would be awesome.
Yeah, you guys are gonna get a free roof.
Oh my God. I thought you were looking at it.
Yeah, I thought they were too.
No, you guys are gonna, you guys are one of our 2 winners this year.
That is awesome.
Yeah. Rhoden Roofing gives away a roof every year to a deserving family or individual. As the owner of Rhoden Roofing, I feel it's our obligation to give back to the community that supports us so much. And that's why we chose so early on in our company is to start a Christmas roof giveaway to give to a family that is deserving of a roof or an individual that's deserving of a roof. And it's really one of the coolest things we get to do here. To see somebody's face light up who is in a position where they may not be able to financially put a roof on themselves, and to just take that burden off their back is such a great thing we get to do here. And we're happy to do it because as a business in this community, we feel like it's our obligation to provide back to the community, especially for those individuals who give so much when maybe they don't have as much to give as others.